Happy Halloween, this is Teacher Paul, and I'm going to show you how to make a Jac-O-Lantern balloon. Alright, as you can see, it looks very cool. It's an easy craft to do with your friends and family during Halloween season. Alright, so next I will show you all the things you'll need and then do it step by step so you can do it yourself. Happy Halloween, guys! Woo! Right, these are the things you will need. You will need a pair of scissors. You will need an orange balloon. You will need a black marker. You will need a green marker. You will need some paper. You will need a pump to inflate the balloon. You will need some stickers or glue. Pair of scissors. Orange balloon. Black marker. Pump. Green marker. White paper. Stickers or glue. Step 1. You will need to inflate the balloon. Good. Then you will need to tie the balloon. Take 2 fingers like that. Go around like that. And then you will see the inside of the balloon coming through like that. And then you pull. You take your finger out. There you have tied the balloon. Next, you will take your black marker. You will start with the eyes. Be careful not to press like this or the balloon will pop. So it's best to put the marker horizontal when you color the eyes or the nose or the mouth. Take your white paper and your green marker. Use your scissors. Then I'm using double-sided tape. So I'm going to remove the one side. My own Jac-O-Lantern. Happy Halloween, guys! Please like this video and share with your friends. Goodbye!